Hi everybody, this is Con. I'm now at Sunway Pyramid. This is the Asian Avenue section that connects the old wing of Sunway Pyramid with the new wing of Sunway Pyramid. Okay, so where I am standing, okay, landmarks include Hokkaido Bake, Cheese Tart, and let me see what we have here. All these computer areas and HP. Okay, so here what I'm visiting here today is the home living exhibition at Sunway Pyramid Convention Center. So as you come up the escalator here, you see Slumberland here, to all these Slumberland mattress here to the left, and look, check this out, all these kids furniture here, very nice. That one goes up to a hall 3. I'll check that out later. So why do you want to come to all these home fairs and whatnot? Because basically whenever you come to all these fairs to buy all your furniture, all your whatever things, like they always have all the companies, right, they will have their marketing budget one. So when you buy things from here, you usually get not definitely, but usually get all these items or whatever services you have at a special price. So when you buy things from all these home fair, what fair, make sure to ask, hey, what is the fair price? What is the special price if you buy here? So let's say some of you, if you just bought a house, okay, you're waiting to start reno, or your house not ready, what you can do is actually, right, you can pay a deposit to lock down your price first. Okay, let's say like usually for something they sell for like how many, 10 ringgit per square feet, but this one special price 6 ringgit per square feet. So you can pay a deposit, lock down the 6 ringgit per square feet price, then later when they come and evaluate, when they come and measure and all that, then you can see lah, you will still pay based on the special price that you have here at the fair. Okay, but you can usually hold them off for like an extra like 3 months or 6 months, like that. Not too long, not like 2-3 years, but a few months. You can lock down this price for a few months, but no problem. Okay, so what do we have here? Wow, that's nice, kids and stuff. I'm sure I'll be shopping for one of these in the future when my kid grow up. So this looks cool. This is the less crowded part of the expo. Now a lot of people are looking at me as I walk because I'm carrying this gimbal, this Osmo, together with the fur ball. It's quite an unusual sight. Okay, so you have here all the mattresses, Dreamland mattress here. So I'm just going to walk through. Okay, so those of you who are thinking whether to come or not, so I'm just pointing the camera at random directions for you to see. So if you see any exhibitors that you like, then be sure to come here. They are here until tomorrow, 1st of July. So this is Geta, Mosque styling and furniture. Yeah. So I'm just walking following the prescribed footpath. Okay. So this hall here is a little bit more crowded. Okay, so we come into hall 1. This area is populated mostly by exhibitors of appliances. Okay, you see what Sharp, Samsung, LG, all this. So as mentioned earlier, all these appliances, right, you come here, you inquire, you sure can get some special promotional price. Okay, and if your house, okay, let's say your house currently undergoing reno, not ready to shift in, you can pay the deposit first to lock in the price. Once your house is ready, then you call them to say, hey guys, bring my things in, ready to go. Okay, so this Sugawa. Hi guys. Hi. Okay, I use this at home. Very good, yeah. Okay, so I'm a user of this electric stove. Very good, I highly recommend it. Okay lah, my wife uses it, but so far we are quite happy with it. And okay, so let's see what else. See here. Very crowded, right? You can see. Yep. So one of the things that you have to, the realities of navigating these fairs as on a weekend is that they're very crowded. So the next time you come, if there are any of these home fairs that you want to come, if you have flexible working hours, do try to come on a weekday. This extendable shelf, I use this at home also. I quite like it. It saves space. So let's say, like for example, when you're not using them, just fold them in. Then when you want to hang your clothes, just pull them out. My clothes at home, I hang them indoors, so this is very useful. Yeah. Yeah, so be mindful that when you come to these fairs, right, a lot of the visitors here are family people. They are buying things for their home or they are buying whatever. So, yeah, usually people come 4 or 5 packs, the whole family come in. Okay, so this is Sharp. Okay, this is SCI. Here's my advice: don't use. I had a terrible experience with them. Totally unable to deliver. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what else here. Okay. So interior design. So if you see, so guys, I'm not going to be able to elaborate much. It's just walking through this fair. If you see any exhibitors that tickle your fancy, come check it out. Ubik. Okay, now I'm a user of this Ubik tracks myself. I highly recommend this. If you guys thinking of getting this for your homes, I strongly recommend it because this is damn good. Okay, so this whole thing you can take out and you can plug this in. So what I do is that you plug your plug in, right? Then you muscle this. This one, I think this one a bit used already, right? This demo. This one a bit used already. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oops. Okay. Okay, so, but this is very good. I understand that this whole track, right, is able to take 32 amps. So when at home, right, sometimes when I review a plug-in hybrid car, I actually have one of these tracks on my car porch. So this whole track, right, can take a rated 32 amps of current. So it's very high current. You can charge a PHEV with it. Okay, so when you can take this out and put this back and put this back in. Okay, also you have a choice of various type of plugs. So you can have this standard 3-point plug, or this one is a universal one where you can use overseas plug as well. There's also another one which you can put what you call it There's also there are also others that you can put USB ports, and so there's another one that's a surge protector. So this is very, very flexible. You just have to install these tracks on various parts of the house, and you can configure as many of these plug points as you want. Okay, so it's very convenient. Just get your electrician to pull the wire down and they will install the track there. Okay, so security doors, bathroom stuff. Yeah. Yeah, very crowded, very interesting. So this is Teka brand. You know Teka, who once upon a time sponsored Real Madrid. I don't know if they still do, but I know this brand because they were once the sponsors of Real Madrid. I think somebody once told me before their tap qualities are very nice, but I can't verify that. So this is all the bathroom stuff. Johnson Swiss, Sorrento. So these are taps and basins from Sorrento. Sorrento's also not so bad. I've got some Sorrentos at home, pretty okay quality. Let's see what else is interesting here. Okay, so this is the layout plan. I just walked into Hall 1. I came initially from Hall 2. Now look for Hall 3. Right, sorry. So all this area would have been Hall 2. So Hall 3, you have to take the escalator up. This looks like all the garden stuff. So here's another escalator, brings you up to Hall 3. What do we have here in Hall 3? Okay. These are all the Chinese people use the Sunway. Okay. Altars. The word I was looking for was altars. Okay, so what do we have here? This is all the. This looks like all the bedroom stuff. This gossamer. These dining tables, marble tables. Tables. King coil. And so this hall seems a bit less crowded, but it's also because it is relatively the walking path. This hall is a bit more isolated than the others. Yeah. So that looks like the end of this hall. Okay, so where the hell am I? Okay. Alright, so here's more dining stuff, more mattress stuff. Okay, looks like I'm like at the end of the exhibition. Okay. Alright. Okay, right. So guys, if any of you have a home to furnish, it is always worthwhile to come to any one of these home deco fairs or reno fairs. Check them out. There are always plenty of good deals. Okay, even if let's say like your home is not ready, you can come here. You can if you see anything you like at a good price, pay a booking or deposit, lock down the price. Okay, so last day is tomorrow, 1st July. If any of you interested, come by here. Okay, until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.